Hi, you're watching Business Today Television. I am Sakshi, Batra, and this is a video where we will be focusing on this new SME IPO that has hit the D Street today. SME IPOs are already gaining a lot of traction, and today it's Medicamen Organics, which has opened for subscription within the SME space. It will close for subscription on June 24th. The company is aiming to raise about 10.5 crore rupees through this SME IPO and also list the shares on both BSE SME platform. Now, here are 10 things that I'm going to be sharing with you which are important for you to know before you take a decision of investing in the company with respect to and with advice of your financial advisors. Now, what exactly is Medicamen Organics all about? What does the company do? The company is engaged in developing, in manufacturing and distribution of broad range of pharmaceutical dosages, including generic dosage in form of tablets, capsules, oral liquids, ointments, gels, syrups, suspensions and dry powders for the government, including both state as well as central governments and also private institutions as contract manufacturers. Now, the Indian pharma market is estimated to touch $130 billion in value by the end of 2030. That's over the next 6 years. Meanwhile, the global market size of pharmaceutical products is estimated to cross $1 trillion mark in 2024 alone. And therefore, this entire industry trend is looking positive. Now, coming back to the IPO details. Medicamen Organics IPO size, it's a completely fresh issue of 31 lakh shares, and through this issue, the company plans to raise 10.5 crore rupees like I indicated earlier. The company is offering its shares in a price band of 32 rupees to 34 rupees per share, and investors can bid for 4,000 shares in one lot. What is the company planning to do of this 10.5 crores? The net proceeds from this offer will be used for product registration in international markets, plant updation, increase in production capacity, working capital requirements, and all of this will be utilized in these activities. Also, who are the lead managers of the company? GYR Capital Advisors is acting as the lead manager of the issue, and KFin Technologies is the registrar of this IPO. Now, for investors, I will like to also point out that about 50% of the offer is reserved for the QIB investors, 35% for retail investors, and rest 15% for other non-institutional investors. Now, important dates, like I said, today, June 21st is when it has opened for subscription. It will close on June 25. Now, the final allotment will be made on June 26, and the company's shares will get likely listed on June 28 as well. Now, what is the grey market premium indicating about this issue? Remember, the grey market premium is only an indication of what is the kind of demand in the unlisted market space and of this IPO, and what kind of listing gain could you expect. But definitely, this is not any parameter to for sure say that this is exactly what is going to happen when the company gets listed on the exchanges as well. This is just to give you an idea. Most of the investors track the grey market premium to get an understanding of what kind of a demand is there for this company. Already in the grey market, there is a premium of 60 rupees in the unlisted market. So, keep an eye out on that as well, because it is indicating that there could be a premium listing of this company. But remember, none of the brokerage houses that we have tracked this company and have given a substantiated note of whether investors should be looking at this IPO for their portfolio. You will have to do your due diligence and also speak to your own financial advisor before investing in the SME IPO, because this is more risky when compared to the primary market space in the main IPO or main board IPOs, and SME IPOs do have that extra risk. So, only if you have a high risk appetite and if you consult your financial advisor should you be looking at this IPO. This video is only for informative purpose. With that, we wrap up this edition, but do stay tuned on Business Today as we continue to get you more updates from the world of business, finance and stock markets.